I filled the bottle back up with the water, making sure it hit the very top. If you notice, I probably have some air bubbles in my bottle. That is going to be perfectly fine, but I know that's going to be some of the error. So in the trough, I'm going to take my bottle and put it upside down and take the cap off so that the water doesn't leave the bottle. And I will leave the bottle upside down in my trough. Now, the other thing that I did is I took a Bic lighter and I put that Bic lighter on my scale to mask the lighter. That's the second step of the procedure. And there it is on my scale. And if you probably can't see what the mass is, but it is reading 13.35 grams. So 13.35 grams. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the lighter and I'm going to put it underneath the bottle so that I can collect gas. And we should see, the lighter is going to get wet. We should be able to see when I press on the button, we should be able to see gas coming up into the bottle. And I'm going to allow the bottle to fill a certain amount. Your procedure says to go ahead and fill it so that it's either a third to half full, but as long as I have a volume of gas in there, I'll be able to make the relationship. And I'm just going to adjust the camera a little bit to see if you can see the bubbles coming in there. You can see that space of gas is getting bigger and the bubbles are traveling into the bottle. I'm going to let it go for a while so that I can collect a good volume in there. Probably see it better now. Those bubbles are traveling in there and you can see it's creating quite a bit of space in there. Little difficult to tell, the bottle's tilted, so it's hard to tell when I have a third to a half. So I just collect and make sure that I have a good volume of gas in there. And when I do, I will stop.